Kindly confirm that the folder is as you submitted it and it has all the documents that you submitted.
Yes, madam.
That's the one.
Yes, I have a copy of that one. The last time you asked me for.
Sorry, I'm not hearing what you're saying.
Last time I was here, he was asking me to bring those documents, so that's why I have a similar file with me.
You have a similar file?
Yeah, I have here a similar file.
Similar to the one I've just shown you?
Yes, and that was, I bought, because at that time you said you didn't receive those documents. I bought the receipt when we sent those documents to you.
So, Mr. Bazi, I don't know why maybe you're speaking too low. I can't hear everything you're saying.
I have similar file I bought, because last time when I was here, you told me you don't receive those files. But I bought the receipt with me when we submit these files to the commission.
Oh, you must have misunderstood. We did receive that folder. But that's fine. Can you collect the folder? I'm going to have it admitted now so that you can use the file you brought for your own purposes if you wish to answer questions. Mr. Chairman, I'm applying to have admitted a folder of documents. In connection with Euro Africa Group Limited, said to contain a list of documents listed in the inside cover of page of the inside of the folder. 5 sets of documents. That's 1, board resolutions for various matters concerning directors, financial statements, bank accounts. 2, various letters concerning the appointment of Euro Africa Group Limited as the exclusive agent of government from 2006 to 2016. 3, price structures as set by Ministry of Finance for each month between periods 2009 to date. 4, total import from 2009 to 2017. And 5, financial statements for the periods 2007 to 2016 and reconciliation with DRE for period 2005 and 2006. Signed by the witness.
file containing the following documents tendered by Mohamed Bazi, witness number 63. 1. Eagle Board resolutions for various matters concerning directors' financial statements and bank accounts. 2. Various letters concerning the appointment of Eagle as the exclusive agent of government from 2006 to 2016. 3. Price structures as set by the Ministry of Finance for each month between the period 2009 to date. 4. Total fuel imports from 2009 to 2017. 5. Financial statements for the period 2007 to 2016 and reconciliations with GRA for the period 2005 and 2006. Admitted Mag MS 63.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah.
Mr. Bazi, you did say the file you have is a duplicate of the file with MS 63. MS 63. The file is now called MS 63.
Okay.
And you have a duplicate, you said?
Yes.
All right. I'd like to ask you a few questions
Please.
about the file. As regards the board resolutions, I see that what you have provided are board resolutions for the years, board resolutions for the approval of the financial statements only for the years 2017. Well, it's dated 2nd June 2017 for 2016, and a resolution dated 24th November 2016 for the years, you said, 2012, 2013, and 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015. Have you seen it?
Yes, Madam, I saw that.
All right. Another resolution dated 26 November 2012 for the year 2011. And resolution dated March 21st, 2011 for the year 20. It doesn't actually say. It was a resolution approving, that's the one dated March 2011.
Yes.
Yes, it's not for the approval of the financial statements. It's in relation to instruction to Total, Gulf, and Elton Oil. And then you have a resolution dated 6 January 2010, which basically is for the appointment of directors. Another dated 10th March 2010, that is to approve the 2009 financial statements. Now, my question is, what about the financial statements for the period before 2009?
Financial statement for the period?
Yeah, before 2009.
Okay.
These were not provided. Can you note it? So
Yes, I will get
Yes.
it for you. That's no problem.
at least the resolution for the financial.
Before 2009.
Before 2009. The resolution for the financial statements before 2009. Now, according to the letter from the Ministry of Finance signed by Mr. Balagi, you already had an exclusive contract before. The letter is dated 5th September 2006. You had an exclusive contract before 2006.
Yes.
Was there a specific written contract?
A specific?
Written contract between yourself, IGUL, and the Gambia government?
I will check, but I think that was the instruction, but let me check. If we have anything, I will furnish you with that.
You are not sure whether there was a written contract?
I'm not sure, but I will check.
Did you have board meetings concerning this matter before 2009? IGUL board meetings. Did you have IGUL board meetings before 2009?
Before 2009.
Did you have, Mr. Bazi?
I'm writing it down to get you those board meetings.
You are not sure?
Because I was thinking it's here, but if it was not here, I'm sure I will get you those board meetings. So this additional to the financial statement before 2009, you asked me, so, and the IGUL board resolution.
Do you have financial statements for the period before 2007?
I'm sure they have it, yes.
It's not provided.
This file was provided, Madam, around the end of September or early October when I was here the first time. So at that time, I was not been testified to ask me question, just we supply you this. So now whatever additional information you need, we can provide that for you, no problem.
Now, the letter from Mr. Balagi I mentioned suggests that the contract started in 2002. When did the contract, exclusivity contract, start?
You asked me last time this question, and I said I will get back to you. The contract started when Euro-African was around March, mid of March. So this was, the letter was,
In which year?
2004.
March 2004.
Yes. He was referring here, I think, for the time we start working on the country for energy project. So since we come to the country, not the time when the contract started, either mistake or that's what the meaning of the letter.
Euro-Africa Group was incorporated on the 18th March
2004. That's right.
Was it incorporated because of this contract?
Was it? Yes, because of the petroleum importation and the fuel and the light fuel together.
So before that, you were supplying fuel, as you said, Global Trading Group.
Was not light fuel, was only heavy fuel to NAWEC. So this light fuel issue, petrol and PMS and jet, only came after 2004.
Do you have any document?
For the heavy fuel, yes.
Do you have any document to show that you started in March 2004?
I will get you when we start exactly. If you need that document, yes, I can get it for you.
You have provided price structures for the years, you said, between 2009, from 2009 to date. What about the period before 2009? The price structure for the period before 2009?
Yeah, okay.
Was there any price structure being arranged with the Ministry of Finance?
It's the same price structure you have front of you. This is the same one they used to do before. From day one, up to date, that's the same price structure they are providing.
What we have is the price structures on Customs and Excise Department letterhead from 26th of January 2009
till 2017, up to date.
To 2017, even after the exclusivity ended. What about the price structure before 2009? Do you have it?
I can provide it for you if you want. That's no problem.
The document is not complete. Your folder is not complete without it.
The reason we have from 2009 till 2017, because 2009 since the depot start operation, so this is where we get, but we can get back to the Ministry of Finance to get you before 2009. Price structure always is price structure from day one, before we come in up till today is the same price structure. Every month Ministry of Finance providing price structure. So this is something easy.
We had specifically requested that you provide, because you were relying on the price structure, and we had said provide it.
Always.
So I suggest that you do provide it if you want us to. If you want the Commission to rely on the price structure in considering this issue, I suggest that you provide the price structures as applied during the period of the exclusivity.
So I'll get you from 2004 till 2009.
Did you have any board meetings after 20? Sorry, I believe you have already answered that question. When did is Mr. Amadou Samba a director?
Not anymore. Since end of 2010 when he resigned as director. I think the letters included there, his resignation letter, no?
No. I don't see any letter of resignation from Mr. Samba.
Okay, I will get you that one. We have it.
Your returns to the Registrar of Companies has
Sorry.
From the file at the Registrar General's Department, Mr. Amadou Samba is still a director on the company. Again, you have also provided total import from 2009 to 2017. What about the period before 2009?
You know, the importation, the accurate figure that from 2009 till 2017, when the depot start again, that we have accurate figure and you have it front of you. But before also I can get you, because sometime there used to be some other importer, or sometime was not been regularized at now since the depot started, but we can get you that one.
Sorry, I don't understand.
The figure is front of you is from 2009 till 2017. This is the figure since when the depot at Mandinari start operating. So we have an accurate figure, and this is the figure we supply you. So if you need the previous figure before the depot, we can get you that one, that's not a problem. But we need like a few days to it.
I don't understand. Why would the figure before 2009 not be accurate?
Well, at that time, because the importation was a problem to bring one little parcel, one small parcel, you bring sometime by road from Senegal, was a mixed supply. But we can get you, if you need, we can have it for you, that's no problem. That to show you, since the depot start, all the figure is accurate up to the last liter.
Before 2009, did the shipments of fuel into the Gambia or importation of fuel into the Gambia go through the Customs and Excise Department?
Sorry?
Did importation go through Customs?
Of course. Every liter of fuel selling to the country taken by the OMCs was passing through Customs and Excise.
So the question of accuracy ought not to arise then. All right, we expect that you will provide the figures. Now, the final document, financial statements between 2007 to 2016, you refer to a reconciliation with GRA for the period 2005 and 2006. The last document is that which has the heading Euro Africa Group Limited, and it states schedule of the obligations and the payment to GRA. Is that what you call a reconciliation?
Where, madam? Which one? Which one?
The last document in the folder.
Ah, okay.
You refer to it as reconciliation with GRA for periods 2005 to 2006. Is that the document you are referring to as the reconciliation? Because I don't find anything else other than the financial statements. The last one being 31st December 2016.
It should have more attachment, I think. How many pages do you have, madam?
I have two attachments. One is an income tax assessment notice, which the figures are not legible. And the last one is, again, an income tax, what appears to be an income tax assessment of $1,500,000. That's all I have.
I think this should be more page, I think, for sure. I'll get, because I know this was a few pages, not one page.
This is what you provided. I want to know whether this is what you refer to as the reconciliation. According to the contents page of the folder.
Yeah, but it's some pages was missing.
So it is not a reconciliation. This.
No.
Yeah.
I will furnish you with the other one, the missing page.
So this is just a Euro-Africa Group document indicating payments made to GRA.
Yes.
So the column which says obligation, is that the assessment? You have a column dates,
yes,
year, obligation.
Let me get back to you on this matter, madam, because I think it was more than one page. So I see that some shortage. This one I'll get back to you by letters today or tomorrow on this.
Okay. Oh, let me just understand, Mr. Bazi. For instance, for the year 2005, are you saying that the assessment on your importation is $1 million?
No.
And $10,000?
No. That I will get back to you on this one. This was not the complete one.
It's not complete.
No.
Sorry,
I have the complete one. Sorry, there's.
Hold it.
Sorry.
Mr. Bazi, we recognize that this was a huge operation, and probably, if I'm wrong, you let me know. Is it correct that you had people, expert people, dealing with these documents? I'm asking because you have said so many times, I will check, I don't know. Now, I want to tell you that if you need, because this will be an awful waste of time, going and coming, if you need somebody to help you, to sit beside you, you can make the arrangement, because we have made those arrangements with bankers and others.
No, for
I'm
sure.
just telling you it is possible. If you want to do it alone, no problem. But really, it is difficult to tolerate. I don't know, I will check. You come again, I will check, I don't know. So it's for you to decide. What do you say?
Commissioner, whatever document you ask me to provide, which is I don't have, I provide always. I send a lot of document here every day. And yes, some operation matter, I was not the one. I'm not the operation guy. I'm not the guy on the ground. I'm not the person who running day-to-day business here. I came every month, maybe 5 days or 6 days. So I was not the guy on the ground. But from the next meeting, I will ask people to come with me to the one they will be in charge of those files.
Yes, that's precisely what I'm asking.
Yes.
If you need that, no problem. We are not saying that...
no, this, example, this
we are, hold it. We are not saying that you are a computer to know all these things, and we are not saying that. Just like the banks, if you have somebody who is familiar with the documents, you can call it. But that doesn't mean that he is going to talk for you.
No, not at all.
All right. Very well. If that is what do you say, counsel, to that?
I have no difficulties. The only thing I would add is that we understand, of course, but ultimately as directors, you are responsible.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm not run away from my responsibility.
Yes. Well, at this stage, maybe you have some other questions.
I'd just like to mention that, Mr. Bazi, you did sign off on the contents page. when they listed the documents. When we ask for documents, we expect complete documents, and we expect the document to reflect what it is called. So for instance, if you say it's a reconciliation, we expect to find a reconciliation and not something else. So just make sure that the documents that you provide, and you have been providing documents, although every day is a slight exaggeration, but I understand what you mean.
I apologize for
please,
this, madam, because
that's
really
fine.
I give what you ask me for document every day. I pass it to my office. I need this document for the commission.
That's
And
fine.
every day I know they bring in document to the commission. Every single day we have document delivered into the commission. I'm sorry for this because I didn't check, but I will. I'm sure all you will have them. That's not a problem.
The commissioners understand, and that is what is important. So they're giving you a chance to put everything together and bring any staff that you need to assist you through this documentation.
Thank you for your understanding.
We have also asked you to provide payments made to directors and shareholders during the period. We've asked you a couple of times. We are yet to receive that. Please note
They have
it.
sent to you. They have sent to the commission. I think 2 days ago, madam, Monday.
All right. Maybe we will check.
Okay.
We will check whether we. Right, we will move on to something else. In regard to EAGLE, you call it EAGLE, that's Euro Africa Group. The documents we ask are not complete, so we will expect that you will provide all these supplementary documents. So we will not go further on that.
Okay.
Now, the last time you were here, I brought to your attention the payments made from the special security account of about $60 million for fuel in 2016. And you said you were going to also provide.
I have provided, and
have-
I have sent to you and the commission and to the investigator also all the.
Have you provided to the commission? That's what's important.
Yes, madam.
At the level of the investigation, it's not important.
That's-
Have you sent it to the commission?
Yes.
All right, that's fine. You did say when you were here that you had documents in connection to the Barajali issue.
The ferry.
The ferry, yes.
Yes.
Do you have documents you want the commission to look at? I want to give you the opportunity.
Yes. I want to show you the picture, which is we talk what the time we collect this ferry.
Sorry, you want to show us?
Yes, I have 6
You want to
copies.
show us what? I didn't get what you said.
The picture of the ferry that are talking about. To if you can realize it, that is a ferry, what they call ferry, but it's not a ferry.
You have pictures you want to show to the commission.
Yes, please.
You want it admitted. You want the pictures admitted. What are those pictures?
This is the ferry. When we took this ferry, they call ferry, but it was no ferry. It just don't have no engine. It don't have nothing. It just was just platform. We take it and we repair it because the ferry was sinking on the water, as I explained last time. We have to redraw this ferry out of the water, take it to the yard, and we have the shipyard that will confirm that to you. Work on that one for 1 month to use it for 2 weeks, and we return it back. This is the picture. How was the ferry at that time?
Yes, if you want the commission to see it.
Yes, please. This is so many copies.
Can you collect the documents?
Every copy has like 5-6 pictures for everybody to see. Which is, maybe you will not realize what it is, but this is the situation.
So, sorry, just give it back to him to mark and sign and number. Can you number each because I can't make out anything.
It's the same, but this is 3 copies, but they are the same. Every copy has 5 pictures inside.
Mr. Bazi,
Yes, madam.
only two of your pictures are dated. This is, one is dated, what is this?
It's 2008.
11 May 2008, two of them.
Yes,
And
this-
they are identical. The rest are undated.
That's true.
So how do we know when you took them? How do we know when you took them?
This is the date showing there when we took this ferry. It's
yes,
2008.
I'm saying that only two are dated. How many are dated? Just one, and it's a duplicate, really. Just one is dated. The rest are not dated.
I asked the shipyard also, they are providing with more picture when they take it from the water. Hopefully I will get them by next week.
No,
They're
first of all, do you have an explanation before I apply to have it admitted? Do you have an explanation
Yes.
as to why only one of the photos is dated?
No idea, madam. I saw that one. That's the one. The only one was dated. Yes.
Who took these pictures?
This picture was been taken by the shipyard, the one that have drawn this ferry from the water. And they promised
Which
to supply
shipyard?
me. They
Sorry, which shipyard?
It's called Capital Gas on the Denton Bridge.
Where is the ferry at the moment?
Sorry.
The ferry,
Yes.
where is it at the moment?
It's there also, parked somewhere at that
At Denton
shipyard.
Bridge.
Yes. But this is an old one. Now it look better than this. When we repair it at that time, at least it's looking like a platform. It's no engine, because he was saying this ferry was going up country and coming. That's not true. This ferry don't have no engine,
Please,
anything,
sorry,
just flat platform.
Mr. Bazi, we are just at the moment trying to sort out your photos. What you gave me are 3 copies of the same set of
Yes.
photos. As I said, only the one is dated, and I'm going to apply to the Commission to have them admitted as coming from you as documents you wish to rely on.
Sure.
Mr. Chairman, I'm applying to have admitted as a set of photograph. Only the top copy has a date 11 May 2008. Is it 4? 4. It's not too distinctive. The rest are undated. But the witness wishes to rely on them.